Guys, ito yung best part ng gantong business. Good morning guys! For today's video, magre-refill naman tayo ng mga vending machines natin. So for those of you who don't know, meron kaming vending machines business ng parents ko. And since wala sila dito sa Canada, kami muna ng mga brother-in-laws ko ang magre-refills for today. So let's go! No, game! Hindi ka pala pumasok, Shella? So guys, ito yung mga dadali natin. So, mga chocolate, mga boxes, tsaka yung drinks. Ayan. So, let's go! One is done, 2 more to go. Let's go. Lamig, ang lamig. Second location. Imut, sarap. Gana. Ayan, masarap. Simut to. Ito sa amin dati to, kaso hindi gumagana ng maayos. Kaya tinanggal na. So, ngayon na lang muna. Damn. Guys, ito yung best part ng gantong business is yung kukunin mo na yung cash. Guys, ito yung sa isang machine. Ito yung sa may drink machine. May mga coins pa. All done. Let's go, go. All done. Last stop for today. Let's go. We're in downtown. Bus na din. Let's go home. Finally back home, guys. Time to work on my own business now. And I think I gotta do some calls. Here you go, my first call. What's up, guys? We had a good nap. And mag-ano tayo mamaya, magsashabu-shabu tayo. Joke lang. Hot pot, shabu-shabu. Hindi yung ano, yung illegal. What's up, bro? Say hi. Where are you? Say hi, man. They miss you, bro. So yeah, pupunta ulit dito sila ate. And we're gonna go eat shabu-shabu. And then later on tonight, meron din pala kaming game ni Gerald ng bayaw ko. So, Yakult muna.